start the topic with pneumatic control systems. So fluid power, your subject is hydraulic machines and industrial fluid power. Okay, this fluid power, it consists of two systems, so two units. One will be your hydraulic component and the second one is the pneumatic component. Okay, so starting with the pneumatic control system, that initially takes is your gases or air. Mostly we use is air because it is abundantly available in the atmosphere. So in the layout you can see air is intake from the atmosphere, then it enters through a filter chamber where the dust particles are separated. Okay, and then it enters a compressor. The compressor compresses the air, and when you compress something, the temperature there it increases. To cool it, it enters through a cooler, and there is a separator here. It again enters the receiver. From there a pressure switch is there. Then it moves forward to the motor control, or it again moves to the secondary air treatment, and there are control valves and actuator. The last position that you see the actuator here, it gives the movement. So we can see what basically the actuator does. Actuator is a cylinder movement, piston cylinder movement. So when you are applying pressure here, or you are applying a force, the movement that takes place, it is because of the actuator. So fluid power, what is fluid power? It is a technology that deals with the generation, control and transmission of forces with the use of pressurized fluids in a confined system. So where come this pressure will come? This pressure will be generated from here, from the compressor. Okay, clear? Now coming to the fluid power system. Fluid power is the driving force in most industrial and mobile applications. A bulldozer or excavator uses for moving soil, where a new project is being built, and the brake is used in a car or truck are some examples where the fluid power is utilized. Fluid power involves the use of a fluid medium, okay, such as air or oil, in a controlled manner to get some useful power. Whether we are using a hydraulic or a pneumatic, that consists of a fluid power. Okay?
Yes,